How to set up Reddit for first-time users. If you want to set up Reddit as a first-time user, you have to just make sure to launch the Reddit application here. Normally, it will take you to the login screen, but logging in means you must have an account since you are a first user and you don't have an account. Just instead tap the sign up button from the top right hand side to create an account. Now you can continue and directly create your Reddit account using a Google or Apple ID, or you can just type in your email address if you want to create an independent Reddit account from here and tap the continue button. After that, it will send the verification code to your email and make sure to verify the code. And once you verify the code, then you'll be able to create a password and your Reddit account will be successfully created. And this way you can go ahead and then basically create a Reddit account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.